Hello, hey, I hope you're having a great day. I had some zucchini in my refrigerator and I thought I would make some zucchini chips. These are real easy, I'll show you how. I'm going to use my mandolin, and I always have a safety on. And I'm going to just make thin slices. Thin slices of my zucchini chips. Okay, you can see my zucchini chips. I did the two different slices. These are real thin, and I made some thicker ones to see if I want them thicker. I have the thicker ones down here. I'll find them when I get them. They're a little bit thicker. And now I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Actually, I put about 3 teaspoons because I did the 3 zucchinis. I got 3 teaspoons of onion powder, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a little over half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and half a teaspoon of cayenne, and then a half a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. I'm gonna mix this up real good. And then I'm gonna apple cider vinegar and olive oil. Liquids, I have 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. It'll dry, it's just gonna dry in there, so not a big deal. And then I'm gonna take and put them on my dryer sheets. I'm just gonna put them kind of close together because they're just gonna dry. And just keep putting in, and I'm gonna put them in the dehydrator. About 110, 105. Probably for about 5 or 6 hours, and then check on them. Keep checking on them. Okay, I'll let you know how they turn out. I already know how they turn out. They turn out wonderful. I hope you guys have fun, and maybe you have some zucchini in the refrigerator and you can just put any kind of spice on there and get them in your dehydrator and make some zucchini chips. Okay, I have my dehydrator going.